Guys, do you want to know how to run Python program in VS Code? So this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video, I will be showing you what extension you need to install for running Python program in VS Code. So follow my video till end, guys. So guys, you need to first install Python in your system. The video link I have given in description box, or you can click on I button. Also, you need VS Code. So here, first of all, I'm showing you what Python version I'm having. So I have started my command prompt, and here I'm simply typing Python space hyphen hyphen version. And you guys can see I'm having latest Python version. So guys, you should have Python installed in your system. Now next, I'm just starting my VS Code, guys. So here simply I have started my VS Code, and here I'm going to this option, that is extension option. So we need to install two extension. One is Python extension and another is Code Runner. So I will be showing you how to do that. So guys, you need to first of all go to this extension and simply search Python over here. And here you can see this Python you have to install. Just click on this install button. So guys, it will install Python extension. After that, guys, you need to install Code Runner. This Code Runner is very helpful extension for running your codes. So simply search Code Runner over here and select this one, .run, and click on install button. So guys, installation of Python extension and Code Runner is done. Now I will be showing you how to create and run Python program in it. So for that, guys, you need to first of all go to this file menu, and here you need to click on open folder option. And now here you can browse any of the folder wherever you want to save your Python program. So I'm simply taking one of my folder, CS Corner. So guys, it may ask you whether you trust the author of this folder. So you can select yes option. So here you can see the folder has been opened. Now in this folder, I'm going to create one of my Python file. So I'm clicking on this plus button, that is create a new file. So here I'm providing name to my file and extension I'm giving as .py. So hit enter, guys. You can see the file has been created, and now here you can type any code. So here simply I'm typing one print statement. So code is done, guys. Now save this. You can press Ctrl S key, or you can go to file menu and select save option. So file is saved. Now here at the top you can see this play button. This play button you will get when you install Code Runner extension. So simply hit this play button, guys, and you can see I'm getting my output. Okay, so you can use this way for running your Python program. But guys, there is one thing you need to do in your settings. I'm just writing one simple statement for accepting input from user. So here I'm just taking one input and I'm storing that in a variable. So now I'm saving this code and I'm running, and you can see I'm getting my output on output tab, not on terminal tab. So you need to enable one setting, then you can enter a user input on this terminal. So let's do that. So here you can go to this settings option, select setting, and here just search run terminal. And here you can see this checkbox run in terminal. Just select it and close this setting, guys, and now run your program. So you can see now here I'm able to type and I'm getting my output on terminal tab. So this way you can accept user input in VS Code in Python. So now I'm simply whatever I have accepted, I'm printing it. So I've just wrote line for that, simply saving it and hitting this play button. So done, guys. So now you can see whatever I'm accepting from user, I'm able to print that. So this way, guys, you can run your Python program in VS Code. I hope you really like this video. If yes, then don't forget to hit on like button. So guys, if you have any query, you can put in comment box. I will definitely reply to your queries. And guys, share my video to your friends. Guys, I'm there on different social media. All my social media link is in description box. You can follow me or join me there. Guys, if you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe it, and don't forget to hit bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep learning and keep watching, guys.